Uttama Villain Tamil Movie Summary. Manoranjan is a leading film star who is immensely popular among his fans but is beset with several personal problems. 25 years ago, he had been forced to marry Varalakshmi, the daughter of noted film director Purnachandra Rao, despite being in a relationship with a woman named Yamini, not shown on screen. His relationship with his son with Varalakshmi, Manohar, is troubled. Besides, he comes to realize that he has a daughter Manonmani, who was born out of wedlock during his relationship with Yamini, and was raised by Yamini's husband Jacob Jacharya, after Yamini's death. Furthermore, he is recently diagnosed with advanced stage brain cancer and has only a few more months to live, a fact which is unknown to his own family. He is treated by his family doctor Dr. Arpana, with whom he has an extramarital affair. After these revelations come to him in a flood, Manoranjan decides to withdraw from a film produced by Purnachandra Rao and instead act in a film produced by himself and directed by Margadarshi, who was his mentor. The two directors had fallen out when Manoranjan married Varalakshmi and started acting in films directed and produced by Purnachandra Rao, who is Margadarshi's rival. Despite the personal differences between the directors, Manoranjan wishes for Margadarshi to be the director of his last film before he dies. Margadarshi initially refuses to direct Manoranjan, but when he hears from Arpana about Manoranjan's terminal illness, he is visibly moved and accepts to direct Manoranjan. When Purnachandra Rao and Varalakshmi find out about Manoranjan's plan, they become enraged and leave his house along with Manohar. Undaunted, Manoranjan proceeds with his film. Manoranjan's film with Margadarshi is titled Uttama Villain. It is a fantasy comedy film which tells the story of a street artist named Uttamang, who has dodged death several times and is hence believed to be immortal. With the help of a princess named Karpagvalli, he works to defeat the evil king Mutharsan, who is obsessed about gaining Karpagvalli and the whole Theyyam empire. During the shooting of the film, Manoranjan's condition worsens, and he is hospitalized several times. Margadarshi convinces Manoranjan to inform his family about his condition. This leads to his rapprochement with Purnachandra Rao, and also between Margadarshi and Purnachandra Rao, and the growth of a bond with his son Manohar. Varalakshmi, on the other hand, suffers a heart attack on hearing the news, though she soon recovers. She apologizes to Manoranjan for her actions to forcibly separate him from Yamini, so that she could marry him. Later, Manoranjan finds out that a letter he had written to Yamini shortly after they had separated had not been delivered to her. When Manonmani reads this letter, which tells about Manoranjan's support for Yamini's decision to not undergo an abortion despite being pregnant out of wedlock, her hatred towards her biological father turns to love, and she finally accepts him as her father. After completing the shooting of Uttama Villain, Manoranjan becomes very sick, suffering from delirium as well as slurred speech and movement, and faints. He is immediately rushed to the hospital. Margadarshi completes editing the film and places it in the hospital. The people present in the hospital, including all the loved ones of Manoranjan, enjoy the film, which ends with Uttamam killing Mutharsan in a stage drama, Irniya Nadagam, thus dodging death yet again. However, in real life, Arpana informs Manohar and Manonmani that Manoranjan had died. The film ends with a screening of Uttama Villain in a theatre, which is enjoyed by the audience and becomes a hit.